Assalamu alaikum. Tell me, how much content is enough? How many times should we post on social media? How many content pieces should we produce in a day? How many blog posts should be written in a month? Should we ask an expert? Should we ask a guru, a thought leader, perhaps Google? I believe the answer for you lies with you. And I'm going to give you a test which will help you find that answer. The test is called the MOR, the Money Over Roof test. And it was created by the one and only, and I'm privileged to be his student, the greatest of them all, Avinash Kaushik. Consider this. How much money do you spend on all your content marketing efforts in a month? The salaries that you pay for the content creators, the copywriters, the designers, the animators, the media buyers, yourself, your boss, the tools, social media community managers and their tools, and all the money that you spend on media buying or promoting your posts. How much is it? 10,000, 20, 50,000, 100, 200,000, a million? Now try this. At the end of the month, put all that money in a bag, take it to the roof of your office building, and throw that money over the roof. And if you get more buzz by doing this than all the efforts that all the people, including you, do in a month, then why don't you just do that? Why all the headache? Just fire everybody and throw the money over the roof every month. So the answer of how much content is enough is as much as you can produce with greatness. Pertinent, thoughtful, great content. Thank you very much. Let's talk.